Hello, welcome to English for Construction. Have a great day and we'll take a look at this. Contract. Lump sum contract. A contract under which a principal, customer or owner agrees to pay a contract a specified amount for completing work without requiring a cost breakdown. The client does not require a cost breakdown for lump sum contract. Turnkey contract. A contract in which a company is given full responsibility to plan and build something that the client must be able to see as soon as it is finished without needing to do anything further work on it themselves. Turnkey contracts offer many advantages over traditional building contracts. Win. To defeat a competitor or to achieve first position or get a prize in a competition. The contractor won the construction contract for superstructure of Highland Building last August. Award. To give something valuable, such as money or prize following an official decision. Astra Corporation was awarded a contract for upgrading a motorway. Failure. A lack of success in doing something. He is a failure in the construction industry. Lump sum contract. Turnkey contract. Win. Award. Failure. The client does not require cost breakdown for lump sum contract. Turnkey contracts offer many advantages over traditional building contracts. The contractor won the construction contract for superstructure of Highland Building last August. Astra Corporation was awarded a contract for upgrading a motorway. He is a failure in the construction industry. Okay, good work. Try to repeat this again and again and again. Then share with your friends and play together. And remember to click subscribe button below to enjoy more video from EnglishForConstruction.com. Thanks a lot and I will see you in the next video and the next topic. Bye bye.